Start over. Just filming myself in the woods. Just filming myself in the woods. What's up, guys? What's up? We are here at, it's usually like a creek, but it's pretty high. I call it a river. You can see, usually there's not this much water. But we're gonna throw two things today. Two things we're gonna throw. We're targeting suspended fish, so we're gonna throw a jerkbait, and also we're gonna throw a wacky rig, which I don't really use that often, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, good old Sunday afternoon. It's about 50 degrees out, which means it's pretty hot. That's why I don't have a jacket on. All right, let's catch some fish. So we're gonna start off with a little small jerkbait. I'm gonna fish it two ways as a jerkbait. Another way I'm gonna fish it is going to be just slowly reeling it in, maybe give it some jerks and pauses. We'll try jerking it first. All right, nothing's going for that. Oh, we got a bite. I can't believe I missed that. I can't believe I missed that. Something else distracted me. No way. No way. That landed. No way. That. Did you guys see that? That landed directly on a log. I didn't even see that there. Okay, let's try to get this out without busting the spot. Yeah. We just lost it. Alright. Guess we're going to the wacky rig. I'm just going to tie this on there. Let's start with the Strike King, this green pumpkin. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it almost right through the middle, right like that. Can you guys see it? We're gonna throw this over by some cover. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I'm just gonna throw it out there and give it some little tugs. Oh, that was a bite. That felt like a big bite. That was a bite for sure. That was a big bite. So what I'm doing is just giving it little finesse jerks, pause. And then on the pause, I'm reeling in all the slack. Come on, wacky rig, come on. Let's see if anything wants this. I have a steel leader on it because we went musky fishing. And I should take it off, but I totally forgot to bring scissors or a knife. And this is braid, so I can't break it with my teeth, so hopefully this steel wire doesn't affect anything. Oh, are we on? Nope. It felt heavy. There was a fish, basically as big as this lure, that was interested. freaking leaves are killing me. Yeah, this thing's getting nothing but leaves. Man. Wish I still had that other one that we lost earlier. Let me go back to Rapala. It's 2 bites that I wasn't able to, pull in. 2 bites I missed. This thing though has never left me skunked, so especially here. We're gonna reel this in slowly, maybe give it some jerks and pauses, and then we're gonna just jerk it and pause it. This thing puts on a lot of flash too. No fish so far. That was first cast though. This thing has a lot of flash. Oh, oh man, that one was on. Oh, come on. I can see the flash of its belly. One's following it. We know they're here. There's 2 following it. You see me though. It's 2 small little bass. Come on, guys. Why can't I get bigger ones? Let's just reel it in slowly. Oh, it went for it. It went for it. It went for it. They're going for him. We have found the fish. Feel it. Feel it. This is it. Nope. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite. Come on. How are they not? How am I not setting the hook? Come on. Oh my God. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? That was a little one again. It was on and it was off. My hook faulty? Well, they seem to be sharp. At this point, even if I catch the smallest dink in the world, I don't care. Man, we're getting bites, but I just can't hook them up. It's like they don't fully want to take it. They're just curious. Oh, we're on. We're on, finally. Finally, we're on. Come on, don't come off, buddy. There's a little chub. Little freaking chub. Oh, we're stuck on my... Who's that? You hear that? All right, buddy. All right, at least we're not skunked. I don't know why they make that noise. It's so weird. I was hoping it would be a bass. Come on, buddy. All right. Got a little chub over here. I'm gonna go back down over here. While I'm trying to catch fish, I gotta think of what I want to eat. Look at that. That is a flake made by a Native American. It's pretty cool. I saw another one over here. And what's this? Guys, that is a broken piece of an arrowhead. Man, I wish it was still intact. It's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever actually found an arrowhead and caught a fish at the same place on the same day. It's just the point. The base is broken off. And look at this. There's another little artifact. You can tell because it had conchoidal fractures right here. And it's like ripple-like effect on the rock. That is usually only caused by man. Oh man, now I just want to look for arrowheads. Are we on? I don't even know if we're on. I think we might have a small little... Oh, yep. Now he wants to fight. Is that another chub? Oh, it's another chub. Come on, guys. Sorry, buddy. All right. There he goes. It's actually quite deep right there. That's why I threw him there. I'm not tossing on rocks, just in case you're worried. I respect the fish. Hopefully the fish respect me, I don't know. Dang it, I want to catch some bass. I'd even be fine with a bluegill. And at least we caught something. Like, I see bass following him, and I can tell that they're bass. Literally, I can tell that they're bass from the pattern on them. They're either spotted or largemouth. But the only thing that's biting these things is these chubs. Let me feel that donk. Donk to donk, donk, donk. Come on. Oh, this is another chub or what? Jesus, another one? All right. All right. This thing's slimy. I mean, it looks kind of like a pretty fish. All right, that's 3 fish, all little small creek chubs. Okay, so caught 3 fish, all creek chubs, all creek chubs. Honestly, I'd rather be catching bluegill or crappie or something, or bass preferably, or even gar. I don't know, I lost that lure at the beginning. I was hoping on that lure being the one I want, and then we tried the wacky worm, but anyways. We were going home, we were gonna go get food, go to the store, maybe watch some football or something, have some beers, maybe watch some hockey. I don't know, the day off, endless possibilities. Right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get one more look at this beautiful, almost winter. It's actually pretty warm out, it's like 50 degrees. It's back in California. I know you guys are like, oh my God, that's cold, but you know, compared to 10 degrees, it's really warm. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm making more videos. I try to film every time I go fishing. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's just fish. Just depends on the mood I'm in. All right, until next time. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. Peace.